Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to solve the Counter-Strike resolution issue. So let's start. For the first step, go to the desktop and then in your mouse select right click. After that, click on display settings. Now you want to go to display resolution, which is in the scale and layout section. After that, select the drop down menu right here and make sure you select recommended, which is 1920 x 1080p for me. After that, close it. Now for the second step, go to the Windows search bar and then search for registry editor and then select it. And once this pop up, you want to choose H key current user, open it, and then select software and open it. Scroll down, select and look for Valve. After that, you will find the Half-Life folder. Make sure to open it and then go to settings. From here, you want to go to display height, double click on it, and then switch the base from hexadecimal to decimal and make sure it's on 1080. Select OK. After that, go to display width, switch it from hexa to decimal and make sure it's on 1920. After that, select OK. Now the problem should be solved. If not, make sure to restart your computer, and that's it. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and see you on the next one.